Welcome to Addigy. In this video, we're going to show you how to deploy apps and books applications via GoLive to iOS, iPadOS, and tvOS devices. Please follow along. The first thing that we need to do is to be able to verify that our apps and books token is properly configured in our policy. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on policies right here inside Addigy. I'm going to choose my enrollment policy for my devices, which is the Addigy policy that we see. I'm going to scroll down here to my apps and books token configure section. I'm going to verify that everything is properly synced. If I want to make sure that this has the latest up-to-date information, I can just click on scan now, and it's going to scan for the latest apps and books licenses. If I want to be able to see which those licenses are, I can just click on the settings tab right here, and then click on apps and books. I'm going to verify that all my tokenized applications are assigned properly and that I have my desired licenses amount required for the deployment. In this case, I'm going to choose Pages as the applications that I want to be able to deploy through GoLive. Even though Addigy can deploy applications of apps and books via the policy, there are certain times in which we want to be able to just deploy a one-off application to our end users. In this example, I can observe that software and apps and books tab will get me to the policy design deployment of apps and books applications. And we can observe that Pages is not deployed through the policy, which means that the devices that are enrolled in this policy are not going to get Pages unless I add them to the policy or deploy them via GoLive, which we're going to be doing next. The next step is to be able to go to my devices page, click on all devices, and then be able to choose the devices that I want to be able to deploy Pages to. In this case, I'm going to choose this iPad that is online. I'm going to click on the software tab right here inside my GoLive. I'm going to click on apps and books. Then I'm going to click on the location token. In this case, it's apps and books. And immediately I'm able to observe that I have my Pages application available for deployment. I'm going to click on deploy to deploy this one-off, and awesome, the app installation successfully queued up. Let's take a look at what that looks inside the device that I'm deploying this to. I can now observe that within a few seconds, my end user device is going to receive the necessary Pages application that I wanted to deploy through GoLive as a one-off. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you need assistance in setting up apps and books in an Addigy policy, there's another video that can assist with that. We'll link the link below. Please have a great rest of your day, and thank you very much for joining this Addigy session. Thank you very much.